Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk about the designing, trying different softwares and application which we can design and make in our work so that we can sell and we can make money online. In today's video, I'm gonna be looking at the CRELLO. If you haven't heard about the CRELLO, then this video is exactly for you because CRELLO is a kind of like a software platform application. I mean, whatever you can call it. It's kind of like a similar to the Canva. I mean, I'm gonna just review in front of you in this video, and we are going to take a look at that whether CRELLO is worth it. And it's kind of like a similar to the Canva because if you are looking for a substitute for the Canva and do you want more graphics, more illustrations, more pictures, and more stuff, so we are going to see whether Canva and CRELLO are kind of like a similar to each other. And if you're looking for an alternative to the Canva, then CRELLO is a good alternative or not. So I'm going to be diving into my laptop and we're going to take a look at the CRELLO, how it's being used and how to use it, whether it's free, whether it's paid, and how we can make it our work in that or design in that. So let's dive in. Before consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We upload video every single week. When we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check our website if you're looking forward to make money online as a creative person. The link is in the description box below. That YouTube channel we have on which we talk about making money online as a creative person, as an artist, as a designer. You can check our website at globalcreative.com if you really want more free graphics, more freebies. The link is in the description box below. So let's dive into my laptop and I'm going to be taking a look at CRELLO along with you, and we will going to diving into the CRELLO and see whether it's similar to the Canva or it's completely different. So let's dive in. Currently, we are on the laptop. Now, you could see I have actually opened the website for the CRELLO. Now, the CRELLO is now VISTA CREATE. I mean, I haven't used the CRELLO in a while. I mean, I rarely use the CRELLO. So, I don't know that they have changed their name from CRELLO to VISTA CREATE, but now they are called as a VISTA CREATE. So, on the very first home page, you're going to see a lot of the stuff. So you're going to see a create. It's kind of like a similar to the Canva. You're going to see animated graphics, Instagram post, posters, Facebook post, logo makers. I mean, you can select whatever kind of stuff you're creating. Depending on that, you're gonna see a lot of the stuff. It's kind of like a similar to the Canva. Then you have the templates, creative assets, tutorials, features, and the pricing. So first I'm gonna go into the pricing, and then we will going to pick up anything from this particular place, and we will going to test drive whether it's actually worth it or not. So let me just go to the pricing section first. So you could see Canva is kind of CRELLO is kind of like a VISTA CREATE now. So you're gonna see they have the two. So you're gonna see they have the two plans. The starter $0. So that means they also have the free plan. They have the paid plan. The paid plan is $10 per month, and in the free plan you're getting 50k plus design templates, 1 million plus creative assets, brand kit with colors, logos, and fonts, background removal feature, free fonts, music, animations, backgrounds, and objects. So there is a one thing over here, guys, which I want to talk about. In the Canva free version, you're not getting the background removal feature. If you're going with the Canva pro version, then only you're getting the background removal feature. Then only you're getting a transparent PNG background if you're going with the Canva pro version. Here is a good thing about the CRELLO that now called as a VISTA CREATE. It's a good thing that they are actually offering the background removal feature. That means a transparent PNG background in the free plan itself. So that's an amazing way, guys. Free fonts, music, animations, backgrounds, and objects, 10 GB storage for files and projects. So that's pretty much amazing. I love this feature that they are offering background removal feature in the free plan itself. That's there in the paid plan. In the Canva Pro, you are not getting in the Canva free version, so that's a major difference. So let's see at the Pro version what they have in the Pro version. The whole starter pack plus 50 million plus creative assets to download without limits, team account, unlimited brand kits, unlimited storage, and resize features. So you could see the team account. I think that the Canva in their free version offering the team account, and here they are offering the team account in their pro version. So that is also the major difference between the Canva free to the Canva free version, Canva pro version, and VISTA CREATE free version and VISTA CREATE pro version. So I'm just figuring out the difference between these two, which one to go for. If you really want the background removal feature, then I would highly recommend you to go with the VISTA CREATE, called as a CRELLO free version. But if you want to go with the team accounts feature, then you highly need to go with the Canva free version if you want in the free version, because here you are getting the team accounts in the pro version. So that's the major difference, and it's $10 per month. Okay, now let's just quickly go to the website of the homepage, and then we have a bunch of the different sizes that you can offer. I think you can also have the custom size. You can select the templates out of here, and you can very well added them according to your use, the Instagram stories, the Pinterest graphics, the logos. Online design made easy with VISTA Create tools and features. So thousands of unique templates, creative assets library, remove background from images, design with a team, animate anything in a click, a new library of the audio files. So it's kind of like a somewhat similar to the Canva, but here they don't have that much quantity of the graphics or that much of the creative assets as the Canva has. Canva has millions of graphics and millions of creative assets. Here it's a little bit less, but you're getting a background removal feature in the free version itself. Think into it. So I'm gonna see a custom background. Let me see if I'm getting that particular option. Just click over to the show more. Now here you are getting the option to, you can also watch the tutorials if you want to get any kind of help how to use their platform and all those kind of stuff. But here you see that when you're going over to the create a design option, you're going to land over to this particular interface, and I see that this kind of interface is kind of like a similar to the Canva in certain respect, but of course it will be different as well. But here you are seeing the new design option. So I'm just going to click over to the new design option, and then you are getting the popular formats. So you can select the formats if you want to select, if you want to create anything out of them. But I'm going to go select the custom size. So let me just select a custom size, maybe 2000 by 2000 pixels. Guys, this is just an example. Of course, you can take whatever size of the file format you want, and then I need to be in the pixels. Of course, you have in the centimeter and inches, and I'm going to click over to the create design. By canvas, now you are getting a bunch of the stuff. It kind of like looks similar to the Canva. I'm getting that kind of vibe similar over here. You can see the photos, the videos, the music, the animations, the objects, backgrounds, textiles. Okay, let me just scroll down, and you're gonna see a bunch of the options over here. So here we go. Okay, so they have separated the free and the pro version, so people would be able to know what they have to offer in the free version, what they have to offer in the pro version. Chinese New Year, Valentine's Day, winter, shapes, like a lot more is there. Let me just scroll down. Let me just pick up a nature. Okay, so let me just pick up this one. Okay, here we are. So I can resize it the way I want to. Okay, that's amazing. Then you're getting the option to animate. Let me try how the animate work. So you could see the zoom, move in, fade in. So let me see how it's actually looking in the fade in. You can have the okay, apply color from images. So this is an amazing thing which I pretty much loved. Like you can apply the color from the images if you're creating a branding asset, if you're using a branding colors for your brand, like you're having a specific color and you're creating an assets for your brand. This works pretty amazing. Like you can have the different shades of the color from the picture itself, which you can very well use and you can do according to it. Then we have, this is the border, this is a crop section. Okay, this one is a filter option. Let's see how many filters they have, because Canva has a great filters. So you're gonna see a normal, Cali, drama, like you can choose a filter. You can over here, you can have the multiple different layers. So you're also getting the layers option if you want to do that. You can align it, you can lock the layers, you can duplicate them, either you can delete them. This one is a pro version, you can't do in the free version. Okay, and see how many stuffs they have. I'm gonna check the brand kits as well. So you could see they have the brand kit. You can choose the color palettes, you can set the textile as well, and you can see how many color palettes you want for your brand and your fonts, and you can add a new kit as well. This is just a brand kit, one example. You can have the multiple kits according to your brands. So let me just go over to the section, the text. So you are getting a photo text. I love this section, guys, photo text, because I think the photo text is so amazing. If you're creating a design for your print on demand, you can take an advantage of this photo text option. So let me just click over to the photo text and we'll see how it's actually working over here. So The size of the text is, your text is masked now. Find any photo or video or drag and drop onto the text. So let me just bring it over here. Okay. And you can upload your own fonts as well. So that's amazing. If you have created your fonts for yourself and you want to use them, you can upload the fonts as well. So this is a photo text. So how I'm gonna actually add it here, let's see. So let me just write something, a rose flower or something like that. Okay, so it's a photo text. I love that. You can drag and drop the pictures over here. I mean, I'm gonna increase the size so that I can see. So let me just increase the size of this particular font. I mean, let me do 192. 192, it's quite big. So let me just arrange it well. So let me just bring it a little bit upside. And I can have more increased size of the font to see how it actually works. So let me try 240. Okay, here we go. This is such an increased font. Now I can drag and drop a picture over here to actually get the photo text. So let me see. So I'm going to go over to the photo section and we will going to have the maybe a rose picture because we are having a rose flower. So let's see the rose picture. Okay, here we have a lot of the rose picture. Let me just drag it over here and I'm not sure how to use it, guys. I never did that. Okay, so you just need to drag that picture on your text and here you are, you're getting a text in picture. That's so amazing. I love this feature about the text. I literally love that. I mean, I could have this particular image on my projects. Of course, you need to read their terms and conditions. If you're using their graphics or something like that, please read their rights and terms and conditions, how to use them. So I'm pretty much love this particular stuff. Let me just click over here and I go over to the section, the Monsterata, like you are having a lot of the fonts over here. So let me see how many fonts they have. So they have the pretty much amazing fonts. So let me just pick up some other font, maybe a Serena. Let's see. No, not Serena. Okay. Okay, so it's coming in amazing. Like you can have the photo text in different fonts. So that's pretty amazing if you're designing for your brand, for your graphics. I mean, I love this kind of stuff and you can very well use it. You can use this one. Let's see. Okay, this image. So how I'm gonna download it? Let's go over to the section to download it. So I need to sign in for downloading and downloading any flower or anything like that. So let me sign in, guys, because I am not signing into the VistaPrint. So let me just sign in. I'm gonna sign in with the Google quickly from my email address. Write my own email address, and you can see I'm signed in with my own account over here. So you could see the download settings. So once you actually sign in into your Vista Create or CRELLO account, you're gonna see download your design. So you are getting a pretty much of the option, the MP4, GIF, JPEG. Then you're also getting the PNG option, PNG transparent, PDF standard, PDF print. So you're getting a pretty much of the options over here. So I'm gonna see the PDF PNG transparent because we want this image to be a transparent image. So I think I'm getting this option over here using the background removal feature in the free version, which Canva doesn't have. So that's an amazing advantage of using the Canva, using the Vista Create CRELLO free version. As we go over to the download option, here it is downloading, guys. Voila, it's downloading. You can cancel it and you can watch the tutorial on how to use and how to work with the brand kit functionality. So that's pretty much it for the CRELLO Vista Create review. Hopefully you enjoyed this particular tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments. Enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever used the CRELLO? What's your experience with the CRELLO? If you have one, or are you looking forward to using the CRELLO or not? I would really love to hear from you because I've tried a poll on my channel talk about making money online as a creative person, and most of the people actually voted for the Canva. So I think that most of the people are using the Canva, and since we have seen how the Canva and CRELLO kind of like related to each other, so I would really love to hear your own experience if you have one with the CRELLO, or are you looking forward to use CRELLO as a substitute of Canva or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.